Welcome. Let us begin by finding a quiet, comfortable space. Sit with your spine straight but relaxed, your hands resting gently in your lap, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly release it. Let your body and mind settle into this moment. We will start by cultivating a sense of inner peace and happiness. For happiness is not something ready-made. It comes from your own actions. It begins from within in the mind and with compassion for yourself and others. Now gently bring your awareness to your body. Start with your feet. Feel them rooted to the ground, connected to the earth. Slowly bring your attention up your legs, to your knees, to your hips, relaxing each area as you go. Continue this gentle awareness up your spine, feeling each vertebrae lengthen and relax. Move your attention up to your shoulders. Are they tense? Allow them to soften. And now your arms, your hands, your fingers, relax. Bring your focus to your neck, your jaw, and finally your face. Let your eyes soften behind your closed eyelids. With each breath, you are releasing tension, creating space for peace. Now let us focus on the breath. Breathe in deeply through the nose and out slowly through the mouth. Feel the air as it enters your body, bringing life, energy, and calm. Let each exhale carry away tension and stress. Continue to breathe naturally, gently. There is no rush, no need to control. Simply allow your breath to guide you into a state of ease. As you breathe, remember that you already have everything within you to experience happiness. At this moment, we have a mind, which is all the basic equipment we need to achieve complete happiness. Now, let us move into cultivating compassion, the heart of inner peace. Begin by bringing to mind someone you care deeply for. Visualize them, see their face, feel the warmth they bring to your heart. In your mind, silently say, "May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be free from suffering, may you live with ease." Feel the love and kindness radiate from your heart towards this person. See them surrounded by light, by peace. Now let this feeling expand outward. Bring to mind a neutral person, someone you encounter in your day but may not know well, a co-worker, a neighbor. Imagine them now and offer the same wishes. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be free from suffering, may you live with ease. Finally, extend this loving kindness even further. Bring to mind someone you may have had difficulty with, someone you might consider an enemy. Consider your enemy as your greatest teacher, for they provide us the opportunity to practice patience. Imagine this person now. With an open heart, offer them the same blessings. May you be happy, may you be healthy, may you be free from suffering, may you live with ease. Notice any resistance you may feel and gently breathe into it. Let your heart soften as you extend compassion to all beings. Now let us reflect on a fundamental truth of life, impermanence. Everything is changing moment to moment. Our thoughts, our emotions, our experiences, nothing stays the same. Change is the nature of life. Consider this truth not with fear but with acceptance. Realize that impermanence allows for growth, for transformation, for new possibilities. Whatever suffering you may face now, it is not permanent. Just as clouds move across the sky, emotions and challenges will pass. Finally, let us return to the heart of this practice, compassion. Compassion is not just for others but also for yourself. Be kind to your own mind, to your own heart. If you feel frustration or sadness, hold it gently as you would cradle a small child. Love and compassion are necessities, not luxuries. Without them, humanity cannot survive. Let this truth guide your actions and thoughts. Allow your breath to flow with ease, and as you inhale, breathe in compassion for yourself. As you exhale, breathe out compassion for the world around you. As we bring this meditation to a close, take a moment to feel the peace you have cultivated within. Know that this peace, this compassion can be carried with you beyond this moment. Thank you for taking this time to meditate. When you are ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Remember, happiness comes not from what we receive, but from what we give. May you carry compassion and peace with you in all that you do.
Shiva, Vishnu, Lakshmi, all divine, they guide me in life, they make my soul shine. I bow down, deep respect, I'm in awe, their love and mercy like an ocean floor. Hari Om, chanting your name, I'm feeling so strong. Hari Om, in this Hindu hymn, I sing along. Hari Om, chanting your name, I'm feeling so strong.